How to turn off contacts on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Once you are over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Account Center. Click on it. Now click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on the option Upload Contacts. You'll be directed to this page. You'll see the option Connect Contacts. Disable for this option. Syncing your contacts helps you follow friends, connect with the things you care about, and allow us to offer a better service. We will no longer sync contacts with our system when you disconnect. Click on Disconnect. Just with that, you have turned off contacts on Instagram. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.